Hey everybody, this is Brett again here at Bozard Ford. Today we got ourselves a 2026 Bronco Raptor in Velocity Blue. We're going to start off here on some unique features on the Bronco Raptor. So of course you've got that Bronco signature front grille up here, as well as the signature LED lighting. So underneath here, you're going to notice you're going to have some full metal bash plates. You've got front sensors, you've got tow recovery hooks over here, and a completely modular grille. So this is really great for any type of like off-road lighting and stuff like that. You do, again, as I mentioned, have the front sensors as well as front cameras up here. Moving on over here to the side, so you do have Fox live valve dampers in here, as well as the Haas 4.0 suspension system. This particular Bronco Raptor comes with 37-inch tires and full beadlock wheels. One thing you'll notice about the Bronco Raptor is all the signature elements, such as the wide fender flares, the vents up here, as well as the hood scoop up here. And then moving down here onto the side, so you do have a rugged side step, but that is also removable and has a full rock slider down here as well. So moving here to the back, you do have a full functional swing gate with lots of space back there. So you do have your Bronco tail light up here, as well as a full 37-inch tire with the beadlock wheel, and your reverse camera back here, as well as tow hooks down here on the bottom. So moving on here on the interior, so you'll know, first thing you'll notice is these really nice Bronco Raptor seats. And then moving up here, you have a really nice large screen. Your selector switch is down here for your four-wheel drive. You do have all of your GOAT modes. You do have several different options for suspension, as well as your front and rear locking differentials. Also in this vehicle, you do have the upgraded Bang Olufsen sound system, which sounds incredible. You do have a removable top. All right, guys, so come see me here at Bozard Ford here in beautiful St. Augustine, Florida. We've got a wide selection of new and pre-owned vehicles. Regardless of whether you're looking for something like this or just looking for a cool daily driver, we've got you covered.